Thank you, Manu sir, for providing me with amazing hands-on experience. Hi, I'm Dr. Rahul Sharan. I took a 1 month fellowship under Dr. Manu Bora over here in Gurgaon. So it's a very like fellow-oriented course. Like the coordinators, everyone quite friendly. Especially Dr. Manu sir, Akhil sir, Shashank sir. Everyone was very friendly with me. They taught me the basic skills. They gave me the basic knowledge of Scopy right from the very beginning, like from the very basics, like right from making portals of Scopy, doing like they will teach you how to perform diagnostic arthroscopy under supervision. They would give you various steps during ACL procedure, meniscectomies, and repairs. So, and a lot of other things. So, I would say the environment is very, very cool. It was rather a satisfactory experience for me.